Hi, it's Jamie, and I'm on the porch. We really don't have sides to the porch. There are three things in life that I cannot get enough of: shiny things, nail supplies, shiny nail supplies. That I did those. Ethan has been ordering from AliExpress, and now that he's been getting stuff, I decided I would give it a whirl and see what we could find. They have a lot of shiny nail supplies. So, if I can get this bag open, I placed an order. It was broken down into 14 shipments. It's only 23 items, but I guess on AliExpress, you're not really ordering so much from a company like you are Temu, but you're ordering from individual sellers. So if you buy multiple things from one seller, it'll come in one package. I think there's only two things in here, but I placed this order on the 17th of May. Today is the 30th. So I've gotten my first two items in 13 days. And that's pretty good. Let's see how long it takes to get the 23rd item. Because so far I don't know that anything else has made it to... Everything is shipped, but I don't know if anything else has made it to the States yet. Yes, they are all... I believe they're all coming from China, which is no big deal. They have shiny stuff in China. Oh, this wasn't the one with two things. This one has more. Oh, my. Oh, I was hoping those would show up. Okay, this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items in it. Oh, my. Wait till you see the shiny. All right, I'm going to pick the camera up and flip it around. All right, we're going least shiny to shiniest. These are nail stickers, and they are all Marilyn Monroe. I have always adored Marilyn Monroe. And I thought, how cool would it be to put Marilyn Monroe on my nails? So I'm really excited to try those. There's no directions, no nothing, and I don't know if they're stickers or they're water stickers. Let's see. This just got so good. There's 4 different pages. Oh, these are phenomenal. Look at that one. Oh, these are, oh, good God, they're phenomenal. Oh, I'm so, don't unfocus on me. What are you doing? These are great. Oh, I can't wait to put one of these on. All right, I still don't know the answer to my question. Are they stickers or are they water things? I think they're water things. Where you float it on top. Yeah, I think they're water things. Where you float it on top of the water and then slide it off. I don't know. We'll find out when I go to use them. Oh, wow, are they cool. Okay, so far, super happy. Okay, believe it or not, this is the next least shiny thing. And these are... oh, I can't think of the word. Starfish and shells. And I think I see some triangles. Just little charm things to put on top of your nails. Some seahorses here. I kind of have some of these. These are actually very shiny compared to the other ones that I have. Okay, next, nail stickers. Kind of shiny. They have some gold hollow. I thought those were kind of cool. I like options. So that's really cool. I think it's just a sheet. It says just stick them onto your fingers and toenails. Okay, this one. These were like ocean colored. Let me pull them out and we'll look at them close. Okay, there's a bunch of these. They're little seashells. There's a whole bunch of those in that one. And then here, I need something to prop my camera up against. That's not going to work. Hang on. Haha. Whoops. Okay, that'll work. Okay. Oh, wow. So that's the back. There's the side. And that's the front. And it's kind of like a see-through glass. That's cool. There's two of those. That's nice, because it's nice when you want to do one on each, like, ring finger. These, oh, these are little round bubbles. Put it down, but it'll roll away. Oh, and it's rolling away. Come back. And it's rolling away. Okay, so we have those, and then these are flat backed. Oh, these are different sizes. And they're blue. Are they round or are they shaped? Hang on. Oh, they're shaped. They have a flat top. But there's a bunch of different sizes here. That was one of the bigger ones. Then we go darker blue, and this one is different size hexagon glitter that I drop right out of camera range. Very cool. I gotta put those back in here. Alright, I'll do that in a minute. Then, oh, these are blue round ones. Oh, that's a pretty blue. And if we flip it around, we've got... Why can't I open the corners? What is this? Oh, it's like little pieces of sea glass, kind of. Different size, just little chunk things. That's cool. That's very oceany. Get off the tweezers. And then here, this side's hard to open. I can't get that one open. We're going to skip it momentarily. Oh, well, these guys are all kind of missing pieces. But that makes them kind of look more natural, almost. Except for the fact that they're blue. They're pieces of, what do you call it? Starfish. And there's only 3 in there, and they're not like broken in here because there's no loose pieces, but there's 3 and they're all missing legs. I'm determined to get that one open. This one is little blue threads. Oh, that'll be pretty. Those are gorgeous. Oh, and it lives on this tweezer. Okay, this one, oh, is blue silver foil. There's a few pieces of that, and it's not going to go back in there. And then this one looks like gold blue foil, golden blue foil. All right, let's get this one open. There we go. Oh, wow. Like pieces of, what is this? Like shell, kind of. Oh, that's cool. That one's pretty. Can you see that one? Those are really neat. Those are cool. All right. Okay, the rest of these are all the same, but completely different colors. So they are different size holographic circles. And I just thought that would make such a pretty nail. So I got them in silver. I got them in black. How gorgeous is that? I got them in teal. Man, I cannot wait to put these on. These silver ones are going on those Virgin Cruise nails. And then I got a whole set of them. Let me take this out of the plastic. Okay, now we can see them better. So those are kind of like this. Well, no, those would be the silver. Those are the black. Oh, and those are the teal. All right, so I guess I double bought those 3 colors. But I like those 3 colors. I just thought that was such a cool idea for a nail design that I had to have them. Okay, so that's my 6 items for today. I'm very pleased. I can't wait to use those.